Dad. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning.
I'm real prepared, but my umbrella's in my car.
Oh. It's a good thing I got my own jacket.
Lately, I've been keeping them have to take kids in the car, and this week I didn't do that. I mean, like I go and get gas as soon as it's down to half a tank.
Miller Steam Plant, Pearson, Wiley, Tuscaloosa Regional Airport, Highland Park Golf Course, and Lake Tuscaloosa Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Blood, Jefferson, and Tuscaloosa.
We're close.
Yeah, we can see the front of it right
No,
now.
we're close.